Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Welcome to your SST class. My dear, as you know that your examination is going to be start and we have completed our syllabus. So we need to revise all the chapters one by one. So from today onwards we will start our revision work. Today we will revise chapter number 7, the climate of India, which already we have read about this chapter. We will revise this chapter today, and at last I will ask some questions related to this chapter. So let us start. In this chapter we had read about weather and climate. What is weather? The condition of atmosphere in one area at a particular time is called weather. Okay, the atmospheric condition over a short period of time is known as weather. It is a day-to-day state of atmosphere and its short-term variation in minutes to week. Okay, it changes frequently. Okay, during a day or in a week or in a month, it can change. So it changes frequently, and it is the atmospheric condition of a particular area for short period of time. Next term we had read about climate. Climate that refers to sum of total weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period of time. Okay, climate is also climate is also an atmospheric condition of a particular area for a long period of time. Long period of time means what? Is more than 30 years. Weather refers to state of atmosphere over an area at any point of time, but it is for a period of time, long period. The climate is for long period of time and weather is for point of time. This is the main difference between weather and climate. The factors that affect both weather and climate are same. That is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. The weather condition fluctuate very often, even within a day. Means you can see within a day only. In the morning it may be sunny, and at afternoon it may become cloudy or rainy. So it can change during a day. It can fluctuate within minutes also. On the basis of generalized monthly atmospheric condition, the year is divided into seasons such as winter season, summer season, rainy season. Okay, and in India, mostly three seasons. These three seasons are there: summer season, rainy season, and winter season. Rainy season, which is also known as monsoon season. The living style of people, it also depends upon the climate. Okay, means dressing habit or food style. Okay, eating habit, food habit, these all things depends upon the climate of the place. Suppose if a person is living in a cold climatic area, then definitely he or she needs warm clothes, and they will eat the food which contains a lot of fat, so that they will get energy and their body will get heat. Okay, so our dressing and our food style depends upon weather and climate of a place. Now these are the factors that affect the climate of a place. These are temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. As I have told you that mainly three seasons are there because of variation in temperature and rainfall. Mainly three seasons are there in our country. First one is summer season. The summer season starts from middle of March and it continues till end of June. During this season, the weather becomes very dry and hot. Okay, at many places, temperature rises up to 45 degrees centigrade also. Mostly in northern plains, hot and dry winds blow, which is known as Lu. And dust storms are also very popular, very famous in this northern plains area. But during the summer season also, mountains remains cold. That's why people used to go to hill stations to spend their summer vacation. And the places which is near the sea are neither too hot nor too cold. They have moderate type of climate. So during summer season also, uh, the climate of that places are not very hot. In summer season, to beat the heat of the sun, people used to eat cold things, okay, like fruits, juicy fruits, or cold drinks, ice creams. They all prefer all these things. And do you know, in India, Barmer and Churu are the hottest place. Okay, these two places are in Rajasthan. Now let us move towards the next season, that is monsoon season. Monsoon season, which is also known as rainy season. This season starts in the end of June and it continues till end of October. Okay, but in some parts it starts from mid of July or beginning of July also. Okay, during monsoon season, winds blow from Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal towards the land, and these winds carry water with it. These winds carry moisture with it, and they causes rainfall in entire country. These monsoon winds reaches Kerala in the first week of June. So the Malabar coast of Kerala, Malabar coast in Kerala, have first rainfall. Okay, in Kerala, they have rainfall in the first week of June only. By the middle of July, they reach almost every part of country and many parts of India, especially the western coast, eastern coast, and uh, western coast, eastern coast, and northeastern states. They all receives very heavy rainfall. In India, the average rainfall is about 120 centimeter. Next season is winter season. The winter season, it starts from November. Okay, from the beginning of November only this season starts and it lasts till February, end of February. During this season, the sun rays do not fall directly, and that's why the climate become very cold. The days are short and nights are long in this season. Northern plains experiences severe cold, whereas the places which is near the sea, means in the southern part of India, it is neither too hot nor too cold. Okay, so these places have moderate type of climate, but the northern plains becomes very cold. At some places the temperature falls down till 0 degree centigrade or below that also. In mountains there is heavy rainfall during this season, but due to influence of water bodies, southern part of India are mild. Okay, so this is all about the three main seasons of India. Apart from these three seasons, autumn season and spring season are also two seasons of our country. Now let us move towards some questions. I know you are able to give the answer of all these questions. Yes. The first question is, which is the hottest place in the world? Name them. The hottest place in the world. as I have told you when I had taught you this chapter, that in Ethiopia, Dalol is a place which is near the equator and it is the hottest place in the world. Second question is the coldest city in the world. It is Norilsk. Norilsk in Russia is the coldest city in the world. The wettest place in the world, it is in India, that is Mausinram, which is in Meghalaya. And the hottest place in India is Barmer. Right now I have told you Barmer in Rajasthan is the hottest place in India. Wind that brings rain in India, it is called as monsoon wind. Okay, here I have written answers also so that it will help you. Okay, so learn all these names. Some fill in the blanks are also there. Let us see. First question is, the monsoon season is also called the rainy season. Next question. Dash reaches the Malabar coast in Kerala in first week. What reaches in Malabar coast in Kerala in first week? Monsoon wind. Okay, monsoon winds reaches the Malabar coast in Kerala in first week of June. Hot and dry wind is known as Lu. Our dressing and food habits depend largely on the climate, and the average annual rainfall in India is about 120 centimeter. Here answers are also written over there. You can see these are the answers of the question. So in this way you will learn all the question answers and all the objectives of this chapter. In next class we will revise one another chapter. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.